fun! Get them to follow you this way, Quack. Show them that chocolate pop-up chicken walk. Walk, 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 walk. Give them your chocolate pop-up chicken walk. Walk, 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 walk. You're doing the chocolate pop-up chicken walk. It's working, Quack. Keep going. Show them that chocolate pop-up chicken prance. Rock out your chocolate pop-up chicken dance. You're doing the chocolate pop-up chicken walk. Keep doing the chocolate pop-up chicken walk.
Bad, bad, bad. My chocolate chickens! My babies! You found them! Oops! Sorry about that, Zack. I mean, Quack. Now, my little chickies, time to lay some eggs.
Hooray! We did it, Quack! We saved Easter!
Oh, no. This is bad. We've got all the chocolate eggs we need, but we'll never be able to wrap them in time for the hunts.
It's okay, Easter Bunny. I think I know someone who can help us.
An Easter egg emergency! Zack must need me. Hi, guys. Looking for me?
Kira! Wow, are we glad to see you. This is the Easter Bunny.
I love your work.
Oh, thank you.
We need to wrap these chocolate eggs in time for the hunt.
All right. Time to wrap this problem up.
Kira knows how to wrap stuff better than anyone I know. Catch, Quack!
Oh! Oh, she's good.
All done.
Excellent. Just excellent.
We saved Easter! Again.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Or maybe not.
There's no way I can deliver all these eggs by myself. Not in time for the Easter egg hunts anyway.
Can't give up now, Easter Bunny. Kids all over the world are counting on you. How do you usually deliver the eggs?
Well, I
Hop? That's it! Kira, can you give me a hand?
Of course I can.
Introducing the Hoppy-mobile!
Wow!
Here! Big ones! Pull!